What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I haven't done this in about 2 weeks, so I had to do another subscribers rides. Yes, I've got to do subscribers rides, and the reason I do that is because this channel, my brand, all of that would not be anything without you subscribing, supporting the brand, shining up on the patron page, coming out to the events, all that other stuff. So my way of saying I appreciate it so much is by showing off your rides, and since most of them are better than mine anyway, I mean, it just kind of works out. But anyway, without all the extra talking and BS and everything, let's just get into the subscribers rides. Alright, so kicking off the day proper is Mike Medley's Georgia SSP. It's like a total reproduction, re everything. It looks just like it did back in 1992. There's actually an article on my website about it, but I'm going to shut up and just let you check it out because he lights the lights up. So Mike Medley's SSP. Okay, so the next two videos, I'm just going to let them play consecutively. These are two of my very good friends in the NMRA, Jay Meisner and Andy Johnson. Jay Meisner runs Coyote Modified, I think that's right. No, not Coyote Modified. Limited Street in the NMRA, and Andy Johnson runs Coyote Stock, and both of these are ridiculous classes. But anyway, I'm not going to talk any further. Just watch and just listen to the goodness.
What you suggested? Now I know.
So this next video is from my buddy Tony Frank, and they were leaving the Fabulous Fords Forever show in Southern California. He's got this ridiculous 4i. I mean, you'll get to hear it anyway, but this thing is ridiculous, and there's a good possibility if he actually makes it that he will be in my booth at Mustang Week. So keep an eye out for that and check this thing out. And there's also a sick LTD wagon next to it. But anyway, just roll it. So this next one is my buddy Josh Flint. He's got the Red Fox, and it's Turbo Coyote, and it's ridiculous. I need better videos, Josh. If you're watching, I need you to send me more videos. This one was good, but I definitely need more. So roll it.
Dirty as hell.
Okay, so this next video is actually very special. It's from my buddy Jaron Cole over at, why can't I think today? Mustang Fan Club. And he's actually filming my buddy Robert Miller pulling Sandy into the display area at the Mustang Owners Museum. This car is freaking beautiful. Check it out. So we had to throw a little camming action in because this one's camming. This is Sean Hedgepeth's GT, just sitting there chopping away, which everybody knows can't beat a cam. So roll that one. Alright, so this next one is owned by Eric Williams. It's a super low mile reef blue notch. He's owned it for a little while, but it's been built and tuned by my buddies over at Power Curve. And the car is sick, supercharged, all that, and just clean. I want this car bad. But anyway, check it out. So the last and final video of this installment of Subscribers Ride is my buddy Matthew Botchler's absolutely ridiculous blown LX. He just did some body work on the car. It wasn't even 100% put together, but it's freaking sick. I wish he would have popped the hood like next time so you could see all the bling. But car is ridiculous. Check it out. Alright guys, so that is the another edition of Subscribers Rides. Here's how you send me these. My email is always in the description of the video. Make sure that if you send me a video, it's good quality, and make sure you do it in landscape mode, not portrait mode. Landscape, because then you have black lines on the side and it looks terrible, and I can't use them. So, email's in the description. Send me your great videos. Flybys, whatever. Just be careful, follow all laws. If you're going to do any racing, do it in Mexico. But yeah, send me those. I love doing Subscribers Rides. I love checking out your cars, showing them off to everybody because they rock. So make sure you do that, and hope you enjoyed this upload. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you smash that subscribe button to send me your videos. And don't forget, June 9th, Jackson, Tennessee, I rented the track. Come out to the Ford Takeover. Details on my website, thefoxcast.com, or you can find it on the Facebook page. So in the meantime, we'll be back with more Coyote updates. Going to start wiring up that control pack and figure out this transmission, because it's about that time to put it all together and drop the hammer, and I promise you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Later, guys.
I know the way you've been living. Life's so reckless, tragedy endless. Welcome to the family.